guys, Dennis here back with another OPGI product feature. Today we're looking at our 1967 to 72 GM A-body power steering couplers by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. The power steering coupler is a critical component to maintaining smooth operation when steering your vehicle. These can wear out with the rubber cushion disintegrating after years of use. At OPGI, we offer a complete, authentic reproduction of the original GM piece with everything you need. Each coupler comes complete with the rag joint, the correct OEM 13/16/36 spline, and a power steering box coupler pinch bolt for a straightforward installation. These are ready to go right out of the package. With several 5-star reviews, you can count on these being the highest quality and the most authentic reproduction on the market. We've sold these to thousands of satisfied customers and feature them on our own in-house award-winning restorations. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.